Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I am here with another entry for the Pocket Challenge I have going on my channel. And this is entry number 17, and it's from the lovely Nola Harris. Hey Nola! And Nola is a fellow Canadian crafter, and she entered my challenge. So I've just opened it up here, and then I will pull out what is inside. And Nola did do a VR, so thank you for that, Nola. I believe there's a card here. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. I love kitty cats. Oh, that's so cute, Nola. What an adorable little sticker that is. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me open the card here. Very pretty card. It says, Kim, sorry if it's late. I've had a few bad days, so I'm trying to catch up. Oh, Nola. Hope you have a great turnout. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Oh, I'm sorry to hear you've had some bad days, Nola. Well, we're sending you all lots of love and healing. I hope you're feeling better. And she's wrapped it up in this lovely gold tissue paper, and she's added some of this very cool ribbon here, fabric ribbon. And I love fabric. And I saw Nola's pockets. They were absolutely gorgeous. So thank you for this very cool fabric here. I will use that for sure. And we'll definitely keep this lovely gold tissue paper as well for some mixed media. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Wow. Okay, let me just put that up there. Oh, Nola. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, she's used a doily here, and she's sewn up the sides. But look at the front of these. Now, she said that these were sari pieces, and look at how gorgeous that is. Absolutely beautiful. Nola does the best oopsie hauls. Oh, and yes, of course, the link to her channel will be in the description box as well. So please go over and subscribe to her. She's got a beautiful butterfly here in the corner that she's put on. And then she's made a little doily flower here, stacked up a few doilies and put this pretty little pink flower. And then she's got right there some leaf from a dangle trim coming out from the side of the flower. Oh, Nola, I love this. These are so pretty. I love the sari. Oh, it's just gorgeous, Nola. Thank you so much. And then inside she's got this beautiful fabric that she's sewn in blue. And she put some goodies inside. Nola, you're so sweet. Let's see what's in here. And she's also got her name in here and her address, so I won't show that. But look at how beautiful. There's another piece there, like I said, and then she's got a bit of lace and a little bit of trim here. Oh, Nola, it's just beautiful. I love it. I really love it. It's gorgeous. Thank you so much. Really beautiful. And oh, thank you for the goodies. Oh, she sent me some. Wow, it's morning. I can't think. Some string, sorry. In pink and blue, some baker's twine. That's what I was thinking of. Baker's twine. Thank you for that, Nola. These will definitely come in handy. And she sent me some little bags. Oh, these are fantastic. Look at these. How great for pockets in a journal. Oh, these are fabulous. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, those are great. I don't have any bags that small. And she sent some library cards. Oh, these are fantastic. Love those. And some beautiful blue pearls. I don't have any in this color, so thank you for that, Nola. And these are like napkins. Oh, look. Little Father Christmas. Oh, these are great, Nola. And some hearts. Achoo, bless you. Oh, these are fantastic. Oh, and look, if only that were real. A 10-pound note with the Queen on it. I love it. Thank you. Oh, those are great. Thank you, Nola. Oh, fantastic. That was so kind of you. Thank you. And then she did a second pocket, and it is similar to the first one, but she's put the sari piece down here this time, and then she's got this going all the way across at the top here. Look at how beautiful that sari is. And the butterfly, and then another flower here that she's layered up with doilies, and then more of that leaf dangle trim here. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous, Nola. Thank you so much. And these doilies are beautiful. And again, she's lined it all with this beautiful fabric. And more beautiful lace going across here. These are gorgeous, Nola. Thank you so much. And she's added more goodies in here as well, Nola. My goodness, you spoiled me. That's so sweet of you. Oh, I love these, Nola. They're just gorgeous. Okay, so, oh, she's added lots of napkins. Oh, fantastic. I needed napkins too. These are amazing, Nola. I love these. Thank you. Oh, look at the bunny. So adorable. I love it. Welcome, baby. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I love all the flowers. So pretty. And lilacs, which are my favorite. I love that. And lavender. These are amazing, Nola. Oh, gorgeous. Look at this one. It says Paris. And it's got a beautiful bird on it. Oh my gosh, these are just beautiful. Oh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, I can do a lot of mixed media with these, Nola. Thank you so much. This will really hold me over for quite a while. Thank you. Oh, American Goldfinch. Beautiful. Love the birds. Love, love, love. And this one is really nice. Oh, it's a rose, but look at the crackle. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's got like a crackle background. So pretty. Oh, and more flowers. Summer savory sweet basil. Oh, they're herbs. Oh, how great. I love that. Thank you. And an olive branch. Aw. Oh, Nola, those are fantastic. Thank you so much. Really, really beautiful. And thank you. I just appreciate that so much. That was so kind of you. And then she's got a little baggie here that she sent in blue. And she's put a few things inside here as well. Nola, you're so sweet. Thank you. Let me just pull these out. And I believe these are some doilies she's cut up. But also, look at this. Gorgeous bling. Love it. Look at that bling. That's gorgeous. Wouldn't that be nice as a ring? Absolutely beautiful. I love that. Thank you. And yep, these are some doilies that she probably cut up from a blanket she found on one of her oopsie trips. So she sent me several in the white color. Beautiful. And these are a really great size for flower making, so I really appreciate this, Nola. Thank you so much. And then she's got like some off-white ivory ones here. Absolutely beautiful. I think that one's a little different, but look at how gorgeous. Oh, thank you, Nola. That is so kind and so sweet of you. I really appreciate that. You're just such a lovely lady, and it's so wonderful getting to know another Canadian crafter. And look at these beautiful, gorgeous pockets made by this talented lady. So please go over and subscribe to Nola. The link is in the description box. And I will be back soon with another video. Thank you so much, Nola. Take care, everybody. Bye.